Guys, as you can see in the title, you will not forget Maxwell's thermodynamic relations with this trick. So now there are four Maxwell's thermodynamic relations, and the complicated part is all those relations looks very similar. So it is quite difficult if you start remembering it without following any pattern. Okay, so here in this video I am presenting to you a very smart trick. With the help of that trick, you will not be able to forget Maxwell thermodynamic relations. If you can remember that trick, then you can easily remember all those Maxwell's thermodynamic relations correctly. So as you can see, it is SPTV. This is the highlight of this trick. So before going into that, let me just tell you what this SPTV is. SPTV, SPTV. So it has four words, four letters actually. S, P, T and V. S for surest, सुनिश्चित, process, तरीका, to verify, verify करने का. Surest, process to verify. So how to utilize this? That's a big question. So you will write S, P, T, V in this way, and you can see the pattern. S is at number one place, P at 2, 3, 4, and we will go on like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, S, P, T, V. Now if you follow this, you will get del S by del V at constant T is equals to del P by del T at constant V. So you are getting the first Maxwell's relation. Now to get the next Maxwell's relation, what you will do? You will just rotate them in a cyclic way, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will become 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, na? Or in terms of SPTV, S will come to this place and PTV will repeat in a clockwise sense. This will give you the second thermodynamic relation. Now you have to remember, you have to keep in mind one thing, like you have seen that some of the relations involves a negative sign. Now how to get that? So whenever you see T and P, if there exists any derivative which contains T and P, like del T by del P, so T and P corresponds to truly positive. Okay, so if in any of the derivative, if you see T and P are appearing, then that relation will be truly positive. Now let's see how we get these four thermodynamic relation. So first of all, we'll start with the first relation. First relation will be from this SPTV. We'll start with this surest, process to verify. So you can see del S by del V at constant T. Okay, this is equals to del P by del T at constant V. Now you see P and T, they are appearing in one of the derivatives, so this is truly positive. So this is the first relation we get. Now let's go to the second relation. How will you get the second relation? Okay, now SPTV is there. Now we have to change the position of S. S will go to this position now. So we'll start from here: S, P, T and V. Okay, now so we can write del V by del T at constant P is equals to del S by del P at constant T. Now look at this. In none of the derivatives T and P are appearing. Here it is V and T, S and P. So T and P are not appearing in any of the derivatives, so there will be a negative sign. Okay, let's just go for the third relation. How can you get this? Again, you will just rotate it cyclically, okay, in a clockwise sense. So S was here, now S will be here, S, P, T, V, right? So this will be written as del T by del P at constant S is equals to del V by del S at constant P. Now here T and P are appearing in one of the derivatives, so this will be positive. Let's go for the fourth relation in a similar way. How will you do that? Let me know if I make some mistake. So firstly S was here, then at the second position, then at the third position. Now it will be in the fourth position. S, P, T, V. Okay, so this will be del P by del S at constant V is equals to del T by del V at constant S. Now let's check whether P and T are appearing. P, S, T, V. This P and T are not appearing, so this will be a negative. So in this way we can easily get these four relations. You can write all those four relations in seconds. Again, it will take few seconds to write them in the examination. So you can easily recall this all these four thermodynamic relations. If you just remember this SPTV process, Surest process to verify, सुनिश्चित करने का पद्धति concept, और this truly positive TP. Okay na? So I think you have understood how to remember these four Maxwell's thermodynamic relations easily. You will never forget after this if you remember this trick. Guys, before ending this video, let me just tell you guys that you can follow me on Unacademy Plus. If you are targeting for the upcoming session at physical science, you can get my profile. This is my profile, and you can have a look at my courses by visiting this URL unacademy.com/physics hub, and you can get all the detailed courses like mathematical physics, classical mechanics, EMT, quantum, thermal and statistical, and many more. You can get a lot of benefits of taking by taking Unacademy Plus subscription. You get daily live classes, part length, full length tests, and many benefits. I have listed them. You can just read and just go for it. And guys, on announcement, the price hike will be there by 20% by May 31st. So you have to take the subscription before that. If you are willing to take, you just utilize this referral code PHYSICSHUB, PHYSICSHUB without any gap. Okay, and Unacademy will give you the maximum benefits. You can see currently these plans are available, and this is the plan, and this will be the reduced subscription rate if you apply this referral code PhysicsHub. So use our referral code PhysicsHub and take the Unacademy Plus subscription and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.